That's nice, nice. So when
Yeah.
you're looking back, right, is there anything where you're saying, okay, I thought this was going to be really difficult and then it was actually much easier? Any example you can share?
Not a single one. No, I can't. I can't look back and say, "Oh, I thought this was going to be much easier." No, it's not even easier to pay myself. I guess I would say, I guess it's easier to pay myself, but no, nothing looking back is going to be easier if it's your own.
Yeah,
You have to stay so committed
yeah.
and so attached and engaged. And this is not like an 8 hour a day job, or this
No.
is an all day every day kind of job. So no, I couldn't say there was anything easier, not at all, not at all. No way.
No way. No, but
No
that's an
way.
honest answer, right? I
Yeah.
like that, right? It always when somebody looks from the outside, it's like, oh, that looks easy, right? But that a lot of
Yeah,
people don't know actually how many hours, what is behind it, or maybe it's all the weekends. That's much more to it, right? Um,
absolutely.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
I mean, yeah, I wish I could tell you there was something easier, but no. It's rewarding, so
yeah,
it's not something where you're cringing doing this job.
yeah,
So I guess, you know what, to say if something was easier, it's easier for me to go to work because it's my job. I feel like I'm doing it for myself, than
yeah,
going and doing it for somebody else. So that would be easier. It's easier
yeah,
for me to get up in the
yeah.
morning and know that I'm doing the work,
Yeah. I like
So,
that. I like that,
yeah,
right? Because it's for you. Yeah. So
yeah,
that
yeah,
makes it much stronger. What
yeah.
about again with leadership, right? Or how you show up and with customers and building everything here? How has that changed you as a leader over the last couple of years?
Boy, changing me as a leader. In previous jobs, I think that I didn't, you know, I was part of a C-level team.
Yeah.
Okay, so you had your operations manager, director. You had, you know what I'm saying. You have your finance guy. Well, being this in the last couple of years, as a leader now, you realize you have to look at this bigger picture. And that's really where you learn how to develop more as the leader that you need to be. So you're looking at the job as an entire bird's eye view scope of finances, logistics, communications, legal, taxes, the business day to day, the operations. So you're looking at everything in this really really wide scope
Yeah.
to help understand how you can stay or become successful, or how do you grow that business. But that's what I've learned in the last couple of years as a leader, is how to really step back. um, Not so much as where I have other people doing the work, but being able to step back and look at everything as the big picture and say, okay, is
Yeah.
this where I want to go? Do I need to change direction? What's impacting my business
Yeah.
today, and how will it do it tomorrow?